What is your preference, your personal preference, when it comes to home exterior and interior design?
Anytime someone brings something about that's, I would say, is bold or a big contrast to the rest of the home.
Hey folks, welcome back. Steve Stack, Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. We're going to bring you another little American Hardwood Advisor edition, talking with our friend Michael Savko Home Builders. Welcome back.
Thanks, Steve.
And what do you think? We got a couple minutes to talk about all the design trends that are going on today?
Absolutely. So yeah, in terms of upcoming trends, definitely a lot more earth tone type products coming in as opposed to all the grays. We are seeing splashes of color at times. People are choosing to do those feature walls where they're putting not the entire room as a splash, but just that one wall and utilizing some wood trim to go with the color contrast. But then again, it also just depends on, we've got clients with all sorts of different tastes. Right now, one that we're working on, they do have some more of a industrial, raw material, concrete and steel type, design cues that are going to be going into this home. And that's not something that we've done yet. This home here has a lot of unique flavor to it as well compared to some other homes that we've done in the past. So, we're very open to a lot of different trends that, or just the design cues that these clients are after. There's obviously way more access now that clients have to things that are being done, very upscale, homes that are maybe built, out west or down south. And they may not be able to afford a $10 million project, but there might be one design aspect that they see that is like, you know what, I really want that.
So Michael, we've talked designs and your customers' preferences, my preferences. Mm-hmm. What is your preference, your personal preference, when it comes to home exterior and interior design?
Sure. So I would say if I could kind of do a bird's eye view response would be anytime someone brings something about that's, I would say, is bold or a big contrast to the rest of the home. If someone has an eye for doing something different in a room and picking, a feature, it could be the fireplace, it could be a grouping of windows. Let's do something different.
So it's all available to you, folks. Hey, Michael, thanks for sitting down with us today, guiding us through some of those design trends and letting the people know what's available to them. And hey, folks, until next time.